First, remove the side bag. Open the 3 clips on the chassis, starting from the one at the front, and then the 2 at the back of the stroller. Press the button on the central joint while lifting the side of the chassis and gently pull the chassis towards you to extend it into double mode. You will hear a click. Once extended, close the 3 clips on the chassis. Take the second frame and the twin bassinet. Then remove the apron and mattress from inside. Lift the outer layer of the bassinet fabric. And secure the Velcro straps to the frame, starting at the foot end, then the sides, and finishing at the head. Adjust the outer fabric around the frame. Secure the stiffeners to the board. Close the buttons on each side of the bassinet. Place the mattress back inside and zip the apron close. Close the buttons on each side of the bassinet. Then attach the carry handle. Install the sun canopy, attach one canopy clamp on one side, guide the recline handle through the canopy opening at the back, and attach the second clamp. Finally, click the fully assembled bassinet onto the stroller alongside the other bassinet. Take the second seat frame and seat fabric. Install the seat fabric onto the frame, beginning at the head area and then moving down to the feet. Secure the Velcro attachment to the frame and close the buckle behind the seat. Detach the carry handle, then install the sun canopy. Attach one canopy clamp on one side. Guide the recline handle through the canopy opening at the back and attach the second clamp. Open the canopy. Finally, click the fully assembled sibling seat onto the stroller alongside the bassinet. To use the side bag in double or twin mode, first take the Velcro attachments from the envelope included in the bag. Secure them to both sides of the handlebar. Next, pull the straps out through the openings on the bag. Fasten them to the previously placed attachment points on the handlebar. Ensure the side bag hangs evenly and is firmly fixed in place.